Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm happy to share this harvest with me video again, another summer garden vegetables. So let's get started. So here I have sponge gourds, also known as luffa gourds or patola, very prolific, and I can tell the vine really grows so wild. It already took over the nearby trellis. As you can see, guys, it's everywhere. And these sponge gourds are really great for bees because they love these yellow flowers. Sponge gourds. Let's go here on the side. I still have some more here dangling around. So here, this one. Sometimes you want to look at it behind the leaves. Some are really hiding. This is really very fresh. Luffa gourds. As you can see, or you can harvest it when they are still tender and young, because when it's already too late, they're already ready to use for sponge for exfoliation. It's not really great for eating anymore. So here we're here inside my curved trellis. I have some few more sponge gourds growing inside this trellis, a mix up with bottle gourds. Here, look at this flowers. I really highly recommend this luffa gourd or sponge gourd growing this summer season, as they are really very prolific, and so far I did not encounter so much pests at all. Are really amazing vegetables. Look at this baby little frog, tree frog. Look how big this tummy is. So this really amazing vegetables that you can grow this summer. You still can, even though it's a bit late already. And over this way, guys, I still have some few string beans. So my string beans are really get damaged from too much heavy rain. So I planted some few ones here on the corner, and look, very amazing. How is your garden this summer? Because it is really very hot, intensely hot. And so far I have some vacant beds to plant this fall. So I'm still cleaning a little bit around here in the garden. So here, let's look at this beautiful string beans. They are really prolific as well. Just make sure you have consistent moisture, because the summer can be really very hot, too hot. And this, we have sweet banana peppers. This one, I planted this in ground along with my basil and pigeon peas. So I'm so happy they start to fruit now. And you can throw them with sponge gourds, bottle gourds, saute them. I have one as well here in the pot. It's still keep on fruiting. I have some few bell peppers in the pot, but they're still small, so I'm going to wait for a while. So let's just grab this sweet banana peppers. This is really good. You can eat it raw as is or cook them. Very amazing vegetables. And there you are for the first batch of summer garden vegetables. And here, let's go here to my one of the trellis, because before it rained so hard that one of my tree branch trellis really fell, and my sponge gourd really went down to the ground. So today I get a lot of the dirt. So I'm gonna grab this as well. Going to harvest this. See, my tree branch is not that very strong. I think I did not uninstall it very deeply, so that's life. I'm gonna grab this as well. It's a bit small, but I'm going to harvest this already. I'll wash it later. And I have some few cute bottle gourds here. These are bottle gourds that grow on the pot. So these are my bottle gourds that I grew in my containers. This time they are a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna grab this as well. This is what happened when the bottle gourds give you lots of fruits already, and as it grows older, sometimes the fruit becomes smaller, or when you don't fertilize it that often like before, or when it produces lots of fruits, sometimes they produce on smaller ones. And here, let's put it here in the basket. I have like few ones over here. So there you go, guys. That's another summer garden vegetables. This time in my small backyard garden. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Or if you want to watch more videos, I have a whole playlist there for you. You can check it out afterwards. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.